So this is my bag. It's my survival gear slash hiking bag. Gianthy. Has a pocket there. Has another pocket here. And it has a separator in it. This is your main part. Has a laptop thing, but I don't think we're going to have a laptop out there. I just put my backup knives, whatever I need in there. Yep. So then I have this. I keep a lot of stuff in there. It looks small, but I keep a lot. I keep 2 magnesium sticks, Bear Grylls, 2 Bear Grylls Priority Survival pocket guides, 2 replacement Bear Grylls fire starters, and over here I just keep a backup knife and something else. So it's really comfortable. Has a thing here, buckle there, buckle here. It's really it's comfortable. I don't see it falling off of anyone. Well, it's comfortable. I don't see it being uncomfortable because it feels good. And just grabs things easily from here. And it's just really comfortable. It has back support, which is good because most backpacks make the back hurt. It's supposed to be waterproof, but I don't know. When you zip it up all the way, there's still a little hole in it. So I think it's just the backpack doesn't let water seep through. I got it on Amazon for $70 or $80. It's a good backpack. I would say hikers or survivalists would use it. Yeah. Thanks for watching.